Oh, look at that. Hi vlog, welcome to my guys, and today we will try to repair this SR Suntour XCM. It doesn't have any rebound. Yep, no rebound. So we'll just perform a lower leg maintenance, remove it, and do a simple wash or cleaning. First we'll remove this, of course, and this, and this, and this one. So I've removed the wire tie ulit. Then let's remove this. Oh, kagahit niya. So unlike any other fork which has an hex key, a Allen key, I'll remove this using this one, guys. Siya. Na-conscious ko sa camera. Why is it so hard? There it is. Okay. Hopefully, let's wait for 38 years. So after I applied the grease, what's this? Pioneer something. So never mind the kalat over there. That's just how geniuses work. So let's remove this. So gahi again. So it worked. It dislodged. So you can tweak it by hand. Look at this. So this is quite hard because of the build-up here. We'll try to remove this by turning the bike upside down. So it's stuck here, somewhere here. So let's put some. So still gisugahi. Ouch! Still so gahi. So it's freaking stuck. Another one, another two. So I have put some WD-40. No, that's not WD-40, that's Pioneer. And we have a lot of Utah there coming out from this side and this side. So we have a lot of things going on here. It falls down, something like maybe Martian soil, and then this one. So it's really old, and both sides of this have this problem. Look at that, look at this. So maybe we just wait for a little while. So we managed to remove this. It's really a mess. I don't know if I can restore this, but let's try. So we managed to remove this. It's really a mess. I don't know if I can restore this, but let's try. So basically this is it. We have a lot of soil and a lot of going on inside here. So I don't know how will I clean this up, but I'm not gonna show you. So after a few wipes, we have this. It's basically corroded to the, not to the core, very corroded. So the anodization is removed, and we have this build up here. I can't remove this, so maybe we can use a power tool. And then we have this, but good thing is it's still functional. Okay, this one, it's not there. So, and also what's inside here is basically pure unadulterated soil. Look at that. So it's soil, so maybe we can, I don't know, wash this. So this is really soil. Look at that. Look at that. All soil. Oh, look at that. Let's try to do pressure washer. Really hard. Remove this. Let's reverse osmosis. Look at that. That's my feet. Okay, we have removed. What on earth is this? This is a freaking soil. Maybe this. What? It's a clump of soil. Maybe this fork is, we don't know, maybe 120 years old. So I've put on my goggles and let's try to work first here. So this side. Oops, don't you dare fall on me. It's really hard. Okay, let's go. So I've managed to remove, and this is all smooth, but the corrosion gets into the core. But yeah, it's always skin deep. I don't know if I can manage to restore the bounciness of this. Let's try. So I have put the bolt already, and I'm gonna show you if it works, and then we'll wash this thing out. So oily. So I still have a lot to do with the rear derailleur, but let's try. Look at that. Look at that. It's freaking working now. Look at that. Look at that. That. What? How did I do this? Oh, it's so smooth. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So it's so smooth. The suspension now is so smooth, and hopefully the owner will be happy. I still have a lot to do, and I'm gonna fix another bike. Look at that. Freaking look at that. Okay. So I think that's all for the video on restoring the 102 years old XCM Suntour. And then I have made some unorthodox approach on the damage stanchion. This is damaged all the way, as you can see in the previous clip. Then hopefully the owner will be happy with this one. So it still functions, and I put something so that it will not rust. Hopefully you'll be happy. Okay, that's all for the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe here at Cebu Bike Bootcamp. This has been Mark Anthony Racal, your drill sergeant.